Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, I'm Cikgu Niswan. Alright students, these are learning outcomes you should understand at the end of this video. Example, you are given these questions. Clearly it is about standard reduction potential for M3 plus aqueous, M2 plus aqueous system for transition metal ions. Flashback. According to the IUPAC system, the equation of a standard electrode potential E0 of a substance or system is written in the reversible reduction process with the E0 value written beside it. Firstly, we must understand that all species on the left-hand side of the redox series are oxidizing agents, while that on the right-hand side are reducing agents. As you can see, the more negative the E0 value, the stronger the reducing agent is. To determine the strongest oxidizing agent and the strongest reducing agent, first we have to rearrange the standard electrode potentials in the decreasing negativity, meaning that arrange the value from most negative to the most positive value. So, based on this graph, these three reactions for M3 plus aqueous, M2 plus aqueous system having negative values, we can conclude that the reduction reactions, which is the forward reaction with E0 values being negative, are not spontaneous reduction reactions. So it is predicted not to be feasible in standard conditions. It shows that species on the left, that is the M3 plus aqueous ions, are more stable, which is less reactive than the species on the right, that is the M2 plus aqueous ions. Clearly, ion that is stable in the positive 2 oxidation state in aqueous solution is manganese 2 ion or cobalt 2 ion or iron 2 ion. This is because E0 values for M3 plus aqueous, M2 plus aqueous system is positive. Now, look at this question. From the statement that undergoes changes in color means there is an observable change and means the reaction is feasible. Guys, flashback. Feasibility of reaction refers to whether a given reaction is thermodynamically possible. That is, in terms of energy content of the reactants, it is possible for the given reactants to chemically react and produce products. If it is feasible, the reaction is said to be spontaneous. When we arrange the standard electrode potential for these two reactions, we can see that iron 2 plus ion can react with oxygen and get oxidized to iron 3 plus. Remember that the electrode potential for a reduction reaction can be read straight from the table. The electrode potential for an oxidation reaction will have the opposite sign to the one given in the table. And the electrode potential for a redox reaction is the sum of the electrode potential for the reduction reaction and electrode potential for the oxidation reaction. So we can see that E0 for the redox reaction is positive, meaning that the reaction proceeds in the forward direction and is said to be spontaneous. That's why we can see change of color from pale green to yellow when aqueous solution of iron 2 ions exposed to air. That's all for today, students. See you in the next section. Bye!